So when we did our rehearsals, I should have known better when Marcus said that he'd take about 2 to 3 minutes. Very nice job, way to articulate all the nice, exciting new brands. I am Mike Lendo. I'm the Vice President of Operations for ASC and Saleen. I also have the pleasure of running our aftermarket performance parts division, and that's called SpeedLab. Brief introduction to SpeedLab. We are a performance supplier of performance parts to the enthusiast buyers. We have a variety of products from appearance packages, from suspension and handling packages, all the way up to our power packages, which feature our twin screw superchargers and our 302 crate engines. So gas, it's on everyone's mind, and it's certainly something that we're not going to shy away from. We're going to embrace it, we're going to talk about it. Gas prices today are on the rise, and clearly there's not too many conversations that you can have today where the rising cost of gasoline doesn't enter into the conversation at some point. Today gas is around $4 a gallon, give or take a few. What's it going to be tomorrow? What's it going to be a month from now? What's going to be a year from now? We don't know. It's anybody's guess. But here's a few things we do know. Some things don't change. Rock and roll isn't going to die. We still love our baseball, and we're going to the ballpark in record numbers. And the enthusiast loves, and in fact, they're wildly passionate about their muscle cars and their muscle car performance. Muscle cars tomorrow may not be our daily drivers, but the enthusiast will own them, they will love them, they will be passionate about them, and they will talk and desire performance. At SpeedLab, speed, power, performance, that's our passion. It drives all of our thinking, and it drives all of our actions. So today, we're really excited to introduce what we think is a breakthrough technology and a revolutionary new product that for the first time ever marries beauty and beast. So what do we mean by that? We have a functioning ram air hood scoop system that's integrated with Saleen's acclaimed Series 6 twin screw supercharger. It is called our Super Shaker. You see, at SpeedLab, we believe that the enthusiast should never be faced with having to choose between power and styling. Super Shaker is a wonderful product that gives the enthusiast today an experience that you literally will have to feel it, hear it, and drive it. We will do that later today. We hope you all stay around to experience our new Super Shaker technology. We have outfitted a Carnelli Jones Saleen edition with the Super Shaker product. We have also outfitted one of our heritage style 281, so that's a stock 281, the same that you get with the Mustang GT, with one of our Super Shaker products as well. And our plan is to take all of you out on a ride and drive so that you can truly experience this, because it's an experience that you can get no other place and achieve from no other manufacturer. At this point, what I'd like to do is offer you an opportunity to hear from Dan Agnew, who is our powertrain engineering manager. And Dan will give you a brief synopsis of some of the attributes of this great new product and some of the performance that you can expect with it. Dan?
Well, on behalf of the rest of the engineering team that really did all the work, I wanted to show you a little bit of the beauty inside the beast. This is an exploded view of some of the content of some of the Super Shaker. On top you can see the existing shaker scoop. We have a pre-filter that goes on top of the air filter. The main body is the molded air box. It's a molded polymer material. And behind that we have a rear closeout skirt that kind of cleans up the rear of the package and covers up the raw body. We have some rubber couplers, rim seals. There's a cast aluminum snorkel that takes the air out of the air box and transitions it down into the supercharger. And then below that we have a new billet aluminum lid. And then below that you can see our existing supercharger that comes along in a lot of packages. This is a little bit of the inside of the Super Shaker. The section got right down through the center. You can see with the red line, the airflow path through it. It comes in through the scoop on top. It goes around some features that we've incorporated in here for some water management. We have our own special test called our H2 test, where you follow an H2 down the road, and then during a rainstorm when it's a fast act, and you're good on water retention. So we've added some features to manage that. It goes through the cartridge style air filter. You can see the mass air test in there, the bottom lighting. The blue part there is the cast aluminum snorkel. And then it looks down through our supercharger, just like our other existing systems do. All right. On the performance side, compared to the Mustang GT, which is going to be where I think we put a lot of these products, you're going to see an addition of 150 horsepower and 140 foot-pounds of torque, going from a standard base Mustang GT. What that's going to do for you is you're going to have over a second 0 to 60 and almost a second and a half quarter-mile performance improvement. All right. Looking at some dynamometer, chassis dynamometer results. This is for the S281 supercharged. So if you already have the supercharged product and you put this super shaker on there, by the time you get done with this whole package on there, you're going to see another 20 horsepower at the rear wheels and over 20 foot-pounds of torque. That's going to give you about 3/10 and a quarter mile and a couple of tenths on 0 to 60. I guess one of the things I really wanted to emphasize here, looking at these charts, the dotted line there is the torque, and the red line is the super shaker. You can see how flat and linear that is across there, and that you're going to feel that in the seat of your pants when you drive the car. A little bit more dramatic difference is when you go to the feed deck, because you're starting with a naturally aspirated engine, and you put the whole kit on there, you're going to get about 100 horsepower rear wheels and 75 rear wheel foot-pounds of torque. Gives you almost a half a second on a quarter mile and about a quarter of a second 0 to 60. You can see the same dramatic difference and a very flat linear torque curve across there through the whole speed range. That was about it for me. You want to take over?
Yeah, thank you. All right, so in closing, a couple things. The Super Shaker product is available for any 05 and up Mustang GT owner. It is also available, we have shaker lid upgrade kits for any consumer out there that has a Saleen supercharger already outfitted in their vehicle. The base supercharger unit is a balance between reliability, durability to your engine, and performance. So the base kit produces an exhilarating experience. But make no mistake about it, at Speed Lab, power is our passion. So we have a number of power upgrades that you can put onto your vehicle in conjunction with the Super Shaker to take this unit well in excess of 700 horsepower. We also have a PJ unit special edition where we're appealing to the collectability and the exclusivity of this vehicle, and that's the vehicle behind you. That vehicle will come with its own serialized bumper number airbox plaque. It'll come with an engine bay plaque. It'll come with a certificate of authenticity, and it will come as a Saleen registered vehicle. The Super Shaker product is available in September of this year. When production starts, we are now taking pre-orders and have been for roughly a week and a half to 2 weeks. And I have to tell you that the demand at this point has been very, very strong. We're very excited about this product. I think you've heard enough of us talking, and at this